Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare creatine powder at home by combining it with other beneficial ingredients. Many fitness enthusiasts enjoy customizing their supplements to meet specific needs. This approach allows you to control the components and dosages, potentially saving you money compared to pre-made products. We will focus on simple, safe methods for creating your own effective mixes. To begin, you will need high-quality creatine monohydrate powder, typically 3 to 5 grams per serving. For an energy boost, consider adding 100 to 200 milligrams of caffeine, perhaps from a capsule or strong coffee. Beta-alanine, at 2 to 5 grams, can help with endurance and reduce muscle fatigue during intense workouts. First, accurately measure each ingredient using a precise scale or dedicated measuring spoons. Next, add your measured powders into a shaker bottle. Pour in 8 to 12 ounces of water or your preferred beverage. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 30 seconds until all the ingredients are completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Preparing your own creatine mix offers a cost-effective way to personalize your supplement intake. For best results, consume your homemade mix about 30 minutes before or immediately after your workout. Always store your bulk creatine and other raw ingredients in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency and shelf life.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.